I'm Josh.
And I'm Allison.
And welcome to the Earthadelic Road Show. All right, we kick off the road show all the way out here in Sevier County with a really unique project. We are taking this family's guest house and completely transforming it into something completely brand new that's gonna wow you. We are really early in the project. As you can see the mess behind me, we are still in the demolition phase, and the demolition here is significant. This house had 2 additions that were added onto it at one point that just didn't quite match the flow and the feel of the house. So we are completely tearing those additions out on each side. In fact, we've already done it on this side. You can see the excavator in the background, completely tore off a whole wing of the house. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side later today. And when we get done with the inside, it's gonna be absolutely astonishing. Let's go take a look.
All right, so we made it to the inside of the house, and where I'm standing right now is gonna be the main living area. And what you see behind me here, we're gonna have an amazing little pot-bellied stove that's gonna make this room so super cozy and warm, especially in the winter up here in the mountains. And then we go over here and we have the first main bedroom over here, and you can see where they've taken down this wall here. They're actually they didn't take this down, but it expanded a little bit further out, and they're gonna completely take off the rest of that side of the house, that extra wing there, and put a wall up right here. All right, across the hallway over here, we have the second bedroom that we're completely redoing as well. It's a smaller bedroom, but there's some great closet space in here, so that's always a great perk. And then out here in the hallway, we're completely gutting this bathroom in here. Whole new shower, bathroom, vanity, all the good stuff. And then through here, we will have a brand new kitchen. So as you remember in that master bedroom where we were putting in an extra wall, that wall is gonna carry on through here. And then out here, there's gonna be a new mudroom entrance area, place to just kind of regroup yourself when you come into the house, and then it goes straight to the kitchen and flows so nicely in this little cabin.
So getting involved with a project like this that has a major demolition aspect can be tricky. We actually discovered asbestos on the old siding that was out here. So we're having to have the hazmat team come in, take that asbestos, make sure that they dispose of it correctly and get it out of here for us. It will cause a bit of a delay, but we still plan to have this project done early next year. So as you can see, we're going to do all brand new veneer out here. We're going to have lots of stone on this, and then this is the portion that we're going to be tearing off here later today. Our project team is actually working on that right now.
All right, Josh and I have made the trek up through DuPont and Seymour all the way up here to Maryville to check out this other construction project that we have going on. So we're completely redoing, and we've, as you can see, gutted this master bathroom. And I'm standing where the wet room is gonna be. There's gonna be a shower here, soaking tub here, and basically my dream bathroom scenario, which would be great to have in the house. So over here we'll have a vanity area. You can kind of see the remnants of the old wallpaper still up here. Look how dated that is. And this is gonna be so modern and brought up to speed. And then in here we've got closets. We got the master closet, and then over here is your toilet area. I believe they're gonna incorporate some archways in here and then some really beautiful tile work. So this is gonna be an amazing little, actually a big, amazing master bathroom when we're all done with it.
All right, I've made it all the way to the other side of the house, the master bathroom on that side, and we are redoing a guest bathroom on this side. Unfortunately, we have no electricity right now, so we can't turn the lights on in there. Our electrician actually on site today doing all the rough end, so we'll have lights back in this guest bathroom in no time. We have a fantastic interior designer that actually is on staff at Earthadelic that can do your interior design work for you. She did an amazing design for both of these bathrooms, not only working on the layout, but working on the finishes, the fixtures, all the equipment, and she put together this really fantastic 3D design fly-through of the space. Let's check that out now. So that is a fantastic look at what our interior design department can do. If you give us a call, we'd love to work with you on some cool construction projects like what we just showed off to start the road show.
I mean, basically a full home renovation. That thing was gutted. It's going to be completely new when we're done with that. And then the 2 bathroom renos.
Yeah, just completely taking these dated guest and master bathrooms and turning into these luxurious living spaces. Really excited about seeing the finished product.
Right, and what excites me the most is how we can visualize it for you, the way we can do the 3D design, kind of put you in your space, make you feel like you're living in that space. It really helps bring the project alive and help you feel the space before we even start the work.
Right. What other companies in town can literally do your interior design, your exterior design with landscaping and hardscaping at swimming pools, and then do the project itself, do the build, do the installation, the construction, all under the same umbrella? It's one of the reasons that Earthadelic is so special.
Well, and speaking of swimming pools, we are on our way now across Maryville to check out a swimming pool that we just got started on. So let's check this out.
All right, so we went from one end of Maryville all the way to the other side. We are seeing every part of Blount County today. We're gonna end the road show here with a really cool pool project. You can see we just finished the gunite recently here. That's why you see those sprinklers in there, making sure that everything's gonna cure properly before we move on to plaster. This pool, really cool, really unique. You can see it has a bench along the side there that's gonna be just 18 inches below the top of water. That's gonna be a really nice sitting area. There will be a concrete pool decking surrounding this, travertine coping, and we'll have a segmental retaining wall on the back side that will come around to this side, and it'll have a little seating area there as well. Concrete continues this way. It's going to connect right to the existing deck of the house. Beautiful landscaping on either side and around the entire deck. And the really cool part about this, do you see any pool equipment? Nope. We have hidden that over on the side of the house. We ran all this plumbing through a trench. All of that will be moved to the other side, and it'll be this beautiful, luxurious, country living style pool right out here in Maryville. You know, I absolutely love road shows like this because the next time we'll come out to all 3 of these sites, we're gonna see this beautiful finished product, and we got to see what it looked like early on.
Yeah, these were all very early stage projects, so I don't know if you guys can even envision what we kind of have in store for us when these projects do complete. So we'll definitely give you an update on all these.
Yeah, it'll be really cool to see the radical transformation. We started with a construction project way out in Sevier County, then moved to some bathroom renovations way out in one side of Maryville, and now taking it all the way to the other side of Maryville for this really cool pool project.
Yeah, so this is a great episode just to see the range of everything that we do, especially the interior construction side of things.
And how about the locations? Not one project did we go to today that's actually in Knoxville or Knox County. Earthadelic works a wide radius outside of that area. So if you are in surrounding counties outside of Knoxville, we'd love to work with you.
Yeah, so give us a call, 865-806-1125. Go to our website, fill out a form, and we'll give you a call. So let's get started.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next road show. Doesn't look that difficult.
No.
There's only like,
No.
look, there's only like 4 levers. Look, there is. There's only like 4 levers in there. I'm pretty sure. Up, down, left, right.
I think it might be a little more complicated than that.
No, come on.
Do they have the keys in it?
Come on. I'm just telling you, I could control that.